Today we're at the Summit Climbing Gym in Oklahoma City. I've always heard great things about the climbing community and how welcoming they are, so let's go see what it's all about. Summit stands in an old grain silo that has been remade into one of the more distinctive climbing venues in the country.
I've been climbing for probably 12 years now, and this is a pretty unique climbing environment.
Go for it.
But Summit isn't just for experienced climbers.
We also run climbing classes on certain days. So if you are a beginner and you're wanting to get into intermediate climbing, you can always come and take a class.
The gym is a great place to come learn new climbing skills and just kind of get involved with the sport from the beginning.
And if you're a first-time climber like me, then they'll make sure you get started on the right foot.
I have to make sure I let you know that climbing is dangerous. Just because we're in an indoor gym does not make it any less dangerous than if you were outside climbing on your own. Awesome, let's go.
All right, sounds good. You'll get set up in a harness and strapped into your climbing shoes while they tell you the ins and outs of the gym, along with some basic rules and procedures. From there, you'll learn how to hook into and use an auto belay system.
Auto belay automatically belays you, so you don't have to have a partner to do this.
And once you have that down, you'll move on to learning how to use a top rope system.
Whenever you come up to climb, you're gonna clip in from the top down.
And once you're clipped in, you get a rundown on top rope belaying.
So it's very important that you check to make sure each other is secured and locked in. You can give it a good squeeze. Perfect.
And now that you've covered the skills, you demonstrate your knowledge by belaying and then practicing catching a couple falls.
I want you to climb up a little ways, and then without announcing or without turning back and looking, I want you to take a surprise fall.
And maybe taking a fall yourself. Woo, that was a good catch. But after you complete the training, you're all set to tackle the walls in one of the most unique and engaging climbing environments around. And I have to say, as an athlete, I really appreciated the physical challenge of making it up the wall because, man, this is a good workout. But I also had to engage my mind as I tried to figure out the best route to the top. I like that one. Don't like that one. Oh, what is this? And once you reach the top and realize how far you've come, all the effort was worth it. And that was honestly one of my favorite parts of the experience. And you can actually climb on the outside of the silo as well. I mean, check out this view.
Not only exercise your muscles, but it also figuring out kind of the problems up on the wall takes some brain power too.
I love climbing as a sport because it keeps my mental energies going as well as the physical activity in a way that it kind of takes my mind off of the other stressors of the day.
And if getting fit while staying a little closer to the ground is more your speed, Summit also offers abs classes and yoga. That was pretty incredible, but I think the biggest thing that I learned today was whether you're a complete newcomer or a grizzled veteran of rock climbing, Summit Climbing Gym in Oklahoma City has something to offer for anyone. For Discover Oklahoma, I'm Augustus Cook.